Have you ever dreamed of luxury cars, mansions and lavish vacations thanks to Forex? Don't worry, I used to think the same. But here's a truth no one tells you. Forex is not a golden path to riches. It's a brutal psychological battlefield where only the strong survive and the weak get crushed. My journey from a dreamer jumping into the market with hopes of getting rich quickly to a trader who truly understands the reality of Forex has completely changed my mindset. I lost money, I lost time, and at times I even lost myself. But through it all, I learned invaluable lessons that shape the way I trade today. Today, I want to share the truth about Forex with you, not the glamorous dreams you see online, but the real, raw experience of someone who has been through it. If you are serious about Forex, stay until the end, because what I'm about to share might change the way you see this market forever. If this resonates with you, hit like so I know you're listening. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with crucial insights that will help you survive and succeed in Forex. Let's walk this journey together, wisely and sustainably. I once believed that Forex was a shortcut to wealth. A laptop, a few clicks, and money would flow into my account effortlessly. I saw ads about people making $1,000 a day with no experience, and I thought, why not me? But reality was different. I jumped into the market expecting to double my account every month, but what I got instead was a series of blown accounts. Watching my balance shrink to zero, seeing red numbers flood my screen, feeling helpless as everything spiraled out of control. This was not what I had imagined. I made the same mistakes that most new traders do. Overtrading, having no clear plan, letting emotions take over, and worst of all, trying to chase losses. It became a dangerous cycle. When I won, I got greedy and wanted more. When I lost, I was desperate to recover. I wasn't trading because the market gave me an opportunity. I was trading because I couldn't accept failure. There was a time after a painful losing streak when I decided to go all in, betting everything on one trade, hoping the market would reverse. But the market doesn't care about emotions. It moved against me, and in seconds I lost everything. That's when I realized Forex is not for the weak-minded. It's not a game of luck or a money printing machine like those flashy ads claim. It's a battlefield of psychology where only those who master themselves can survive. I paid a heavy price for this lesson, but the real cost wasn't just in money. It was in how I saw the market. I finally understood. It wasn't the market that defeated me. I defeated myself. I let greed take over, let fear dictate my actions, and let my lack of discipline destroy everything. If you're listening to this and recognize your own mistakes, don't give up just yet. I'm not telling you this to scare you, but to wake you up. Every mistake is a lesson, but only if you learn from it. Don't trade just because you want quick money. Don't jump into the market blindly just because you see someone flexing their profits. Remember, the market doesn't reward greed, it rewards patience and those who truly understand it. If you've lost money, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I trading based on a strategy or just on emotions? If it's the latter, change now. I once believed that Forex was the shortcut to financial freedom. A laptop, a few clicks, and money would flow effortlessly into my account. I saw ads of people making $1,000 a day with no experience, and I thought, why not me? But reality was completely different. I entered the market expecting to double my account every month, but instead I faced a series of blown accounts. Watching my balance shrink to zero, seeing red numbers fill my screen, feeling helpless as everything spiraled out of control, this was not what I imagined when I started trading. I made the same mistakes most new traders do: overtrading, trading without a plan, letting emotions take over, and worst of all, trying to recover losses irrationally. It was a dangerous cycle. When I won, I got greedy and wanted more. When I lost, I became desperate to make it back. I wasn't trading because the market gave me opportunities. I was trading because I couldn't accept losing. Rusomaya, Chitaridhan. One time, after a painful losing streak, I decided to go all in. betting everything on one trade, hoping the market would reverse. But the market doesn't care about emotions. It moved against me, and within seconds, I lost everything. That's when I realized, Forex is not for the weak-minded. It's not a game of luck or a money-printing machine as advertised. It's a psychological battlefield, where only those who master themselves can survive. I paid a heavy price for this lesson, but the real cost wasn't just the money. It was how I saw the market. I finally understood. It wasn't the market that defeated me. I defeated myself. I let greed dictate my trades, let fear control my decisions, and let my lack of discipline destroy everything. If you recognize yourself in this, don't give up just yet. I'm not saying this to scare you, but to wake you up. Every mistake is a lesson, but only if you learn from it. Don't trade just to chase quick money. Don't jump into the market blindly just because you see someone showing off their profits. Remember, the market doesn't reward greed. It rewards patience and those who truly understand it. If you've lost money, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I trading based on a strategy or just on emotions? If it's the latter, change now. Forex is not a game, nor is it a quick win strategy. It is a ruthless market where only those who control themselves can survive. If you think success in Forex is just about finding a good strategy, you're mistaken. Strategy is only 20% of the game. 80% is psychology, discipline, and risk management. I used to let emotions control my trades. When I won, I got excited and overtraded. When I lost, I panicked and tried to recover, only to lose even more. I believed the market was against me, that it always moved in the opposite direction the moment I placed an order. But the truth is, the market doesn't care about you. It simply moves as it always has. I learned to accept losses as part of the game. If one losing trade makes you anxious or sleepless, the problem is not the market, it's you. You took on too much risk. You haven't truly mastered your emotions. I once read, accept the loss before entering a trade, and you won't fear it anymore. That mindset changed the way I trade. Forex is like a silent assassin. The winner is not the one who trades the most, but the one who waits for the right moment. I used to chase trades every day, searching for opportunities in every price movement. But I realized the market doesn't require you to act constantly. Sometimes doing nothing is the smartest move. Once I understood this, I started trading less, but with better results. I learned to wait for the best setups instead of forcing trades. I stopped trading based on emotions and started trading with discipline. Discipline kept me away from impulsive trades. It protected my account during market volatility, while undisciplined traders were losing everything to fear and greed. Discipline set me apart from the crowd. But if there is something even more important than discipline, it's risk management. I've seen skilled traders lose everything simply because they didn't know how to protect their capital. I was once like that, trading without a risk plan, letting my exposure grow beyond control, and when a losing streak came, my account vanished within days. What I learned is that success in Forex is not about a single trade, it's about how you manage your account over time. Never risk too much on one trade, because you can never be 100% certain about anything in this market. If you still believe you can win quickly, take a step back. If you don't manage risk, lack discipline, or still trade based on emotions, no strategy will save you. I'm not saying this to scare you, but to wake you up. Forex is not for those who lack patience, discipline, or risk management. If you have lost, don't give up. But before continuing, ask yourself, are you trading with a plan or are you just gambling? If emotions still control your trades, stop now. Learn to control yourself before trying to control the market. After 1 year, I am not a millionaire. No luxury cars, no mansions, no extravagant parties like the ads I once believed in. But I have gained something far more valuable: stability. I entered Forex thinking it was a money printing machine, believing that with a good strategy I could quickly double or triple my account. but reality was far harsher. No system guarantees endless success, and there is no easy path to wealth. Looking back, I realized the biggest change wasn't in the money I made, but in how I think. I am no longer a gambler chasing the market. Instead, I understand that Forex is not everything. It is just a tool that can generate income, but also one that can destroy everything if used incorrectly. I no longer chase big wins, no longer get overly excited when my account grows, nor panic when the market moves against me. I've learned that success is not about how much money you make, but how well you can control yourself. There are days I don't trade, even when opportunities arise. Not every trade is worth taking, and not every opportunity needs to be seized. Sometimes the best decision is to stay out. I no longer let the market control me. I control how I react to it. I don't see every losing trade as a failure, but simply a part of the game. Forex is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Many come to Forex hoping to get rich quickly, but only those with patience survive. I once heard a saying, the richest traders are not the ones who win the most, but the ones who lose the least. That completely changed my approach. Now, I don't try to win every trade. I focus on minimizing risk and preserving my account for the long run. I no longer dream of luxury. What I want is a stable account, a strong mindset, a strategy that suits me, and a life free from the market's control. To me, that is real success. If you still think of Forex as a lottery ticket, stop now. Ask yourself, are you trading to get rich quickly or to build something sustainable? If it's the first, you'll soon leave the market empty-handed. If it's the second, you're on the right path. Remember, the market does not reward impatience. It rewards those with the right mindset and the patience to endure. Ask yourself, why are you coming to Forex? Is it for the dream of getting rich quickly? Or do you truly want to take control of your financial future? If you are looking for shortcuts, if you think a few strategies will make you easy money, stop now. Forex is not for the impatient. This market does not care about your dreams. It does not reward those who want overnight success. It only rewards those who are willing to learn, persist, and accept that this is a long journey, one where you may lose a lot before you truly understand how to survive. I once believed that if I worked hard enough, if I put in enough time, I would succeed quickly, but I was wrong. Forex does not reward the time you spend. It rewards how you think and react to the market. Some traders lose money even after 5 years, while others achieve stability in just 2. The difference lies in mindset, discipline, and patience. A mindset pattern lies in 1,000 different ways. Look at yourself. Can you endure a streak of losses without letting emotions take over? Can you wait weeks for a single good trade instead of forcing trades daily out of fear of missing out? Can you accept that success in Forex does not come from big wins, but from risk management and capital preservation? If your answer is yes, you have a chance. If not, it's best to stop now. Now, I am not saying this to scare you, but to make you understand that Forex is not a game of luck. It is a serious profession, and if approached correctly, it can provide sustainable income. But if you treat it as a get-rich-quick scheme, this market will crush you without warning. After a year, I am not a millionaire, but I have learned one important lesson. Money is not the goal. It is the result of the right mindset. If you do things right, money will come. If you do things wrong, money will disappear faster than you expect. The question is, do you have the patience to see it through? If you choose to continue, be prepared for a tough journey. There will be days you want to quit, moments when you doubt yourself. But if you have the right mindset, if you see every mistake as a lesson, if you are ready to develop discipline and emotional control, then Forex can become a tool that changes your life. Remember, Forex is not for those who want to get rich quickly. It is for those who know how to survive in the long run.